guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe because why not? I'm waiting. Thank you. So today I'm going to be doing my fall favorites, hair and makeup. Fall is approaching, so we're going to talk about my hair, which is giving fall realness. Hello guys, we're going to get straight into this video because I'm tired of looking like a peanut. Like, I've been walking around like this all day in my house, but all day. So we're going to be starting with the hair, of course, because that's like the foundation of everything. I have a wig today. The wig is from RPGSHOW. Love them down. You guys know I rave about them all the time, and I wanted a wig for the fall. I wanted something still in the brown family that I've been wearing, but with a little fall twist. So I got this wig right here. So cute. This is like the perfect fall wig. It's definitely coming up a little bit more like Auburn on camera, but it's like a red brown. It's definitely a brown, which I want to stick to that family because I just feel like that's my color. I feel like I found my shade. One thing I love about this wig is the fact that although it has a comb in the back like your standard wig, it has a drawstring, and in my opinion the drawstring is a lot more snug without being tight, and you don't have to worry about the combs like digging out the back of your neck and possibly causing traction alopecia or pulling on your hair. With me being in my transitional phase with my hairstyles, with wearing my hair out and wearing quick weaves and then wearing wigs, I love that this is glueless and I don't have to commit to it and like spray it down or do anything like that. So I'm gonna do a little quick install, you guys. It also has a band in there as well. So cute, you guys. I had on a black wig earlier today and I felt so weird. The one thing I love about these wigs is that they're glueless, but you still get that frontal look. A lot of the glueless wigs are basically just closure wigs, which is fine and it is convenient, but sometimes you still want that, like, you know. So I'm really excited about this, and I'm not going to add any spray yet. I might later, but I want to just cut the lace first and see what it's really giving. This is how the wig looks without any spray, any tweaking, anything. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh, love it. Y'all, look how my wig looks, and I have not added any spray or anything yet. Right up my alley. Because lately I have been so lazy when it comes to my hair. I'm not the girl y'all used to know. The girl that switched her hair 3, 4, 5 times a week. The girl that had different colors. I'm not there anymore. I'm here for convenience and cuteness. I'm giving the girls middle part today because I have definitely been a side part flip over girl for the past few months because my leave out does not allow me to be a middle part girly. Let me tell you that. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of heat protectant and I'm gonna flatten this out. Ooh, look at the shine. All right, so I'm gonna add some serum to the hair. I'm not 100% sure how I want to style the hair yet, but I am gonna straighten it just to have a good base, whether I want to curl it or whether I want to curl it. I don't know yet. But I might also leave it straight, so we'll see. This is a step that I used to skip even when I was curling my hair, but it does make a difference, and your hairstyles last longer and look more professional and look more sleek. So whatever you plan on doing, just run the flat iron through it. Even if you're not doing like a silk press flat iron, just run the flat iron through it so it's nice and sleek. And you guys, look at the shine. An executive decision that I'm going to leave my hair straight because I just feel like it's perfect for fall. Straight hair to me screams fall because in the summer 9 times out of 10 you didn't wear your hair straight because it was too hot for the straight hair. It was going to frizz up, it was going to do all the things. So it's like now it's silk press season, now it's like straight and sleek hair season, okay? And we're still glueless, guys. I'm gonna add some melting spray to the part just so that my wig isn't shifting while I'm doing my makeup. This is just a melting spray, it's not a holding spray, so it's gonna melt that lace in. with a little bit of adhesive too. So this is by Cabell. I've been using this. I have not been able to show you guys because I haven't really been wearing wigs like this, but this melting spray is so good. And now that I've used this, I truly understand the difference between a melting spray and a holding spray. Spray that on my finger. Ooh, more of like a thick formula, and I'm just going to place that right there. And when you use a melting spray, you just want to let it dry on its own. You don't want to like press it down. You're gonna have the white cast, you're gonna do all that. We're not trying to do an install. Okay, that was the easiest install that I've had in a minute, and I was putting it off because like I haven't been wearing wigs, so I was like, I know I'm gonna flop, I know it's gonna look crazy, I know I'm gonna hate it. No, I love, like, look how good it looks. Like, that is a lip combo, honey. So cute, right? So this is a completed look, you guys. I love my hair, I love my makeup. Make sure you guys check out RPGSHOW wig. I will leave all the information for this wig down below, and make sure you guys are following me on other socials because I will be styling her up and layering her up on the other platforms, TikTok, Instagram, all that fun stuff. So make sure you guys check that out over there because I do want to like experiment. I want to curl the hair, I want to like crimp it, do some other styles just to show the versatility. But today I'm leaving it straight because I got places to go. And I think the makeup is super cute. So again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.